Hello, good evening, dear Saladmaster Lover Philippines. I'm your health home chef and Malingit, cooking for you. And for tonight, April is awesome. That's why we're going to prepare for you a very healthy meal. But this time, it's very unique. Wala pang gumawa nito. Naghahanap ako sa social media kung meron na bang gumawa ito. So, it's summer. Kanina, kasama ko kanina, nakita nyo sa sneak preview, meron kaming pinitas from the backyard, fresh from the backyard. Tawagin ko lang si Ate Ana. Ate Ana from Nava, Bicol Region! So, nandito kami sa ancestral home po nila, kila Mama. Namitas po kami ng green mangoes. Siguro may idea ka na kung ano gagawin, Saladmaster Lover. Pero this time, it's healthy kasi no oil ang gagamitin natin. Kaya healthy na siya. So, gagawin natin ay minanggahang pork and chicken. Wow! And we're going to cook it the Saladmaster way using our Saladmaster 5 quarts wok. At syempre, may extra pa dito. Yung pasabaw natin, lalagay mo syempre sa inyong Saladmaster medium bowl. So, what's our ingredients? Ready na ba kayo? So, ang gagawin natin is, mamaya, isusutay natin to without oil. So, we have here yung garlic, onion, tomatoes, and then we have yung chicken and pork. Normally, it's just chicken or minanggahang pork. Pero ito, hybrid. Pagsasama natin, mga friendships. Tapos, meron kaming ilalagay na gulay mamaya. Yung okra, we have the okra, we have the labanus, and we have, of course, yung bida-bida natin, green mangoes. Kanina pinitas na fresh, okay? I-slice mo, balatan, and then slice. And then we have the kangkong, okay? So, are you ready? Let's start na po! So, I preheated the wok. Okay, we're going to preheat this for 5 minutes. Actually, kanina medyo na-preheat na siya. Okay? So, ready na ba? Okay ba tayo? I-preheat na natin yung ating wok, no? Kanina, preheat na siya. Magsusutay na ako ngayon ng garlic. Saladmaster way, no oil. No oil means less cholesterol. So, kung ikaw nag-iwas ka sa oil, perfect ito sa'yo. Tapos, lagay na rin natin yung ating onion. So, slice onion. Okay. Healthy po ito, at saka ang bango-bango. Yung pinili natin na vegetables, and of course, yung protein, will boost your immune system. It's rich in vitamin C. There's kamatis also, no? May lycopene yan. Then you have yung greens, good for your, iron, no? And then you have fibers also. So, this will really boost your immune system. Ilagay na rin natin na ating tomato. Alam niyo yan, pag Saladmaster way, mabilis lang maluto. Medium fire po. Okay? Alam mo, can you smell it? Pag tagtain nyo yung cookware mo, bango-bango. Smells good. Naamoy nyo ba? Excited na ba kayo? Ito yung magiging dinner natin mamaya. At syempre, nagsayang na rin si ate using our Saladmaster multi-purpose 5 rice cooker. Okay? It's multi-purpose. Okay? Okay, the next thing is we're going to add the chicken. Okay, we know na kahit walang oil ito, kung ating ginigisa, maya-maya maglalangis ito. So, ang goal natin, mga Saladmaster lover, is sasangkotsain natin ito. Ilagay na yung chicken tsaka pork. Ganyan sa Saladmaster. Okay? And then, lalagyan natin siya ng patis. So, I have here 1/4 cup of patis. So, yung kalahati muna yung nilagay ko. Then, sakutsahin muna, simmer it. Babalikan natin siya after 15 minutes. Okay? Alright, guys. Are you hearing yung nagka-click kasi kanina yung game? Ayan. click, 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 sabi ng Vaporub. So, ibig sabihin, kumukulo na siya. So, after 15 minutes, alam nyo, di ba, walang oil. Sa Saladmaster, walang water. Guys, tignan mo. It's really amazing. Okay? Nagkaroon ng water from the meat itself. Isn't it amazing? So, can you imagine yung broth malasang-malasa? Tapos, ayan o, nag-release na ng oil. Yung chicken. So, what's next? Malapit na itong maluto. Ang bango-bangot, di ba? Tama po ba? Tama po ba?
Yes.
Meron audience dito.
Yes.
Okay.
I like
So,
it.
next po
Yan.
natin
Oo.
is we're gonna put the green mangoes.
Wow.
Woo! So, basically, it's just like sinigang. Pero ang pampaasim natin, guys, is mangoes. Okay, yung iba sampalok, yung iba kalamansi, iba kamyas, may bayabas. So, iba kamatis. Sa atin, minanggahan. Tapos, lagay mo na siya lahat, yung vegetables. So, we have okras and labanos. Okay? And, mamaya na lang natin lagay yung kangkong. So, papakuluin ulit for another 10 minutes. Tapos, pagkatapos ng 10 minutes, lagay ko na yung kangkong. Tapos, lagay din ako ng konting water. 2 cups lang. Kasi gusto pa natin dagdagan sa baho. Okay. And then, according to your taste, mamaya gusto nyo panlagyan ng pates or ano, salt, no? Fish sauce or salt. So let's close the lid. Let's wait again for another 10 minutes. Pag kumulo na, ilagay na yung kangkong. After mo nilagay yung kangkong, mga ano na naman, 3 to 5 minutes, luto na nun. Okay? And that's it, guys. After 10 minutes, babalikan na natin itong ating minanggahang chicken and pork. Ooh, kumukulo-kulo. If you're seeing this again, no, very colorful. Ibig sabihin, intact yung vitamins and minerals. So, nag-release na ng asin yung ating mangoes. At syempre, lalagyan natin siya ng patis. Again, this is optional. Kung gusto nyo ng medyo maalat-alat pa po, lagay tayo. Yan. So, ito yung natira kanina dun sa ano. Kasi di ba 1/4 cup lang naman. Lahat-lahat ng patis. At lalagay na natin yung ating kangkong. Sarap nito. Naglo-low carb ka ba? Pang low carb din ito. Low carb friendly. Yung meal na to. Pero kung nagra-rice ka, abay, pwede na rin! Guys, maluluto na to in 3 to 5 minutes. So, all you need to do is to turn the heat from medium to low. So, cover this pan. Turn it to low. After 5 minutes, turn it off. And then, meron tayo mamayang magta-taste test sa ating minanggahang manok. Abangan natin kung masarap ba ito. Perfect for our summer. April is awesome! Healthy dish. So, babalikan natin yan, guys. Ayan, guys! Nag-click na siya ulit. You know naman yung ating Vaporub. Pag second click, it means turn the heat off. Okay? From low to turn it off. Kasi luto na yung ating ulam. No more guessing. Ganyan kagaling Saladmaster. Ready na ba kayo sa ating favorite portion, Saladmaster Lovers?
Yes!
Let's call on our taste test, taste test. From Bicol and Catanduanes, let's call on Ate Anas Lantiga and Ate Leti Renada. Woo! Okay. Saladmaster, paano magbukas? Twist the lid first kasi naka-vacuum sealed yan. And then lift the lid. And then smell. Can you smell it, guys? 30 minutes, meron ka ng ulam na ganire.
Ang bango.
Ang bango. And look at the colors. The vegetables, very vibrant.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready na?
Yes!
Okay, so pag-serve sila, meron din kami dito rice dito sa ating Saladmaster bowl. So, pag-serve ko na sila. Okay, taste test na po. Verdict na. So, lalagyan ko sila chicken and pork. So, yung dapat i-check nyo kung tender ba yung chicken. Okay. At saka yung vegetables, kung pack na pack. At yung sabaw. Sige, taste test muna. Ate Ana. Wait lang natin si Ate Letty. Si Ate Letty, kuha ka na ng rice, Ate Letty.
Rice talaga.
Sabi mo,
Yan yung rice. Gusto ko muna yung nasa ano.
okay. Kasi gusto mo ka mo ng rice. Okay. Pero kung low carb ka, pack ito. Okay. Nagyan ko pala ng mango si Ate Ana. Okay. Sabay kayong titikin. Gusto mo ng mango, te.
Wala. Yes.
Okay, guys. Ito na yun. Ito na.
Una muna sa baw.
Mga Bicolana. Wow. Lutong Kapampangan. Okay. Okay.
Sarap ng asin.
From the taste.
Yeah. Perfect.
Perfect sabaw. Yung
Ang
sabaw.
sarap! Masarap ang lasa. Super sarap.
Okay, kung tender na yung meat tsaka vegetables, check natin.
Ang diet nyo.
Masarum, masarum. Amin iba. Masiram.
Masarap. Kaya kami, manyaman.
Oh.
Okay? In English, delicious. Delicious. Ginawa ko Italian, delicioso.
Ang
Okay.
sarap.
How's the meat?
Tender.
How's the chicken? Guys, first time nila nakakain.
Yes.
Okay. Normally, it's just minanggahang chicken or minanggahang pork. Okay? Magkaiwalay. Pero this time, it's hybrid and normally, they put oil. So, healthy po ba yung no oil?
Of course.
So, guys, if you wanna learn more recipes, rate mo na, 1 out of 10.
10.
10 out of 10! Guys, walang ano yan. So, salamat, Saladmaster. If you want to experience a very healthy and nutritious dish, very easy, no, try nyo po ito kasi lalo na sa mga kids to boost their immune system. Try cooking at our Saladmaster cookware. So, if you happen to like this video and you want to learn more recipes, just please DM us at Saladmaster Lover by Ann Balingit and join our Saladmaster group page, Saladmaster Lover Philippines. You can also text or call us at 0922-897-5209 and we will be cooking for you. Yes, we'll be cooking for you. So, at follow na rin yung ating YouTube channel na Amazing Lutuan by Ann Baligid. So, thank you very much and God bless everyone. Bye!